Greetings and various assorted salutations. This is Mr. Hicks, and this tutorial is actually intended for students. There's a teacher version of this tutorial accessible elsewhere. The intent of this tutorial is to assist with managing your dashboard, as some people may have old classes that they took in previous semesters still on their dashboard, and they need to clear them out so that only the current classes of their current semester are in here. Now this is what you're looking at. You're currently on your dashboard and you're trying to arrange things so that it's more manageable. You don't want courses you aren't taking in there anymore. Now to manage this feature, you'll want to click on Courses and you want to scroll down to the bottom and click on All Courses. And what this does is this allows you to star and whatnot your courses. If you star a course, that will put it into your dashboard. So I have starred these courses because I want them marked. As a student, you want to mark the courses you're currently in a semester so that you can view them all quite easily. You will have to do this about once a semester so that you can clear things out and put new things in. But let me just show you. If you just hit that star, it'll put it on your dashboard. If you unclick that, if you unhighlight that star, it'll take it off your dashboard. In any case, I do hope this helps, and until later.